Your Apple ID is at the center of the Apple ecosystem, so when you lose access, all kinds of problems can occur. For example, you lose access to iCloud, downloading apps, and anything related to your Apple ID. This video will walk you through how to reset your password no matter what device you can access. Just follow these simple steps. If we haven't met, I'm Ellen from Ellen's Tips for iOS, where I help seniors master their iPhones and iPads. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss when a new video is posted. Let's get started. To reset your Apple ID password using Safari, and this can be done on any device, whether it's a Mac, iPhone, or iPad, you'll want to open the Safari app. You'll want to type in iforgot.apple.com, enter your Apple ID, and then enter these characters that you see. I'm going to refresh the code because it's been sitting there for a little while. I'm going to go ahead and enter the characters, tap on continue, and then it's going to ask you to confirm your phone number. Once I confirm my phone number, I'll be taken to this notification that says reset password. I'm going to say go ahead and allow. Now, my iPhone passcode is going to pop up. I'll enter in my passcode. Once I do, I'll be taken to the option where I can create a new Apple ID password. To reset your Apple ID password on your iPhone or other trusted Apple device, the best and easiest way to reset your password is by using a device that you're already signed into. So, what you need to do then is go ahead and tap on the Settings app. Make sure that you select your name at the top. Tap on Password and Security. Once you've done that, you'll see an option at the very top that says Change Password. The only time this won't be available is if it's a new device or it's a device that you don't have access to. As long as it's a trusted device, this is an easy way to change your password. Another great option to reset your Apple ID password is the official Apple Support app. It has an option inside of that. You can download it to your iPhone or iPad from the App Store. And now we just need to go ahead and open the Support app. Scroll down until you see More Products. Tap on the little arrow there. Now go ahead and select Apple ID. And there's an option right at the very top that says Forgot Apple ID and Password, or Forgot Apple ID Password. Select that. Now we're taken to an option to reset your password. They also have an article about that, but if you need to reset it, just tap on Get Started. You can choose the Apple ID that you're currently signed into if that's the one that you need to change the password for, or you can put in a different Apple ID if the one you're seeing there isn't listed. So I'm going to choose my Apple ID and select Continue. Now we're going to be taken to the iPhone passcode again. There's a lot of security features when you go to change your password, so enter your iPhone passcode. And now you'll be taken to the area where you can go ahead and create a new Apple ID password. If you're setting up a new device and aren't signed in to your Apple ID, when the option appears, Forgot Apple ID or Password, go ahead and follow the prompts to change your password. This solution can be performed on any device, even a display model in the Apple Store. If you have a Mac and you want to reset your password for your Apple ID, tap on the Apple icon at the top left corner of your computer, choose System Preferences, click on your Apple ID, select Password and Security, click Change Password, and follow the instructions. As you can see, it would be best if you remember your Apple ID password. Otherwise, your experience on Apple devices will be limited. There are plenty of ways to reset the password and get back into your account. However, there may be some instances where the account recovery process will take longer before you regain access. Therefore, keeping your Apple ID password stored in a safe place is always in your best interest. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.